I'm George Giering, President and CEO of Giering Metal Finishing. Today we're going to be talking about screen printing. One of the important parts about the application is proper surface preparation. Before we screen, we typically want to make sure that that surface is clean. So our quality department is taking a look at customer specifications, what's required, what are the detailed steps, what are they specifying that we need to meet. They're taking a look at, is the ink sticking to the substrate? We don't want ink just flaking off. Is it the right color? The last thing a customer wants is to have the wrong color, so it doesn't meet other marketing material. We need to make sure that the ink is cured so that after it's applied, someone doesn't try to clean that part off and all of a sudden the ink is gone, or it's smeared, or it's discolored. Our quality team is doing all the right testing just to make sure that these graphics meet specification. So the last thing we want to do is apply a graphic and not have that surface clean, free of debris. Proper preparation is critical by a nice lint-free wipe with a light solvent just to make sure that surface is clean and ready to take on the ink.